Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. I finally got a nice day out here to show you the new light that I put on the house. This light will probably end up moving in front of my garage door. It's not very practical for right at the front door in my opinion, but it does work out pretty well for if somebody's coming up to the door. I can see who's coming up at the door with the app that's included with this. It takes really good video from this camera, and you can actually talk through the speaker and talk to whoever's at the door if you don't want to get off your butt and go answer the door. It actually came in handy the other day. A solicitor came in. I told him I didn't want anything, right on the speaker, and he walked away. So that was actually kind of cool. The lights, really good LED lights, just what you expect from Sansi. Top quality LED lamps. They work really well. They actually light up my entire front yard. I got them pointed that way more so than this way where the camera is, because when you walk up to, this is my front door, when you walk up, I didn't want to blind people walking up, so I kind of pointed them out that way instead. Really easy installation, just the 3 wires, neutral, hot, and ground. It comes with everything you need to install it except for a Phillips screwdriver. So really easy to install. If you want a little more detail on installation, check out my other Sansi video. I'll put a link in the description below. It goes in a little more detail, at least how to install it. I'm not going to show you that here because it's really easy. The camera takes really good video, and the speaker, it sounds okay. It could be better, but it sounds okay. I'll put up some footage here, but all in all, the Sansi security light, I really like it. One note I got about it is you have to have a specific email address to sign up for the app. What I found out is you need a Gmail or a some other email, but my Ymail or my Yahoo mail that I normally use, at least for stuff like this, it didn't work, but it worked just fine with my Google Gmail. So just a mental note, if you can't get the app to work, try a Gmail account and it'll work just fine. So other than that, really 2 thumbs ups on this light, and the app is pretty easy to use and self-explanatory. Stellar Cam app is the app, and I got one device set up. It's out in my front yard. It's pretty easy to use. You can put a siren on. That siren will actually display a siren on the speaker outside. You can set up for alerts. Anytime the motion sensor goes off, you can get a notification, and you can have the light on or off, and you can tell it on or off. The motion settings, this will allow you to set the sensitivity, and you can also set it by a certain schedule as well. The light settings, similar situation. The sensitivity for the motion zone, 24-hour mode, or you can set a specific schedule if you like. Now the event history is basically everything that's happened with that camera since I've installed it, or I don't know how long the data goes back, but looks like 5 days. So it goes back to today's the 30th, and it looks like it goes back to the 26th. So 4 or 5 days anyway. But if you want to look at a particular one, you can see what happened on that camera, on that particular thing. On this one, the sensor went off because the car just drove by. I have it set pretty high on sensitivity because I want my entire driveway covered. So you can see a lot of these are just cars driving by. There's another car going by. And if I go down a little bit, I could probably... There's another car going by. I'm getting a lot of cars going by. Like I said, the sensitivity is pretty high because of the way I got it set. But you get the idea. The event history just shows you what's been recorded. You can also go to live view. This is what's going on right now. I can hit the microphone button down there and it will talk out in that speaker, and if you was outside you would hear that. And then I can turn the light on or off, or the bell, I'm sorry, the alarm. And I could turn the light on and off right here. And I can also mute it if I don't want to hear like all the birds and the cars going by and stuff like that. And you can view it in standard definition or high def, whatever you like. So all in all, it's a pretty decent little setup, and I just wanted to show you that real quick. So thank you, Sansi, for sending me this light, and I'm really enjoying using it. Until next time, I'll see you later.